Welcome to our channel, Zuglu Study Material. Fitness speaking questions. How do you keep fit? I keep myself fit through yoga in the morning and by enjoying walk in the evening with my friends in a nearby park. My food habits also keep me healthy all along. Why do you think it is important to keep oneself healthy? A healthy mind resides in a healthy body is a popular saying. So, to keep oneself active and energetic and free from diseases, it is necessary to be healthy. A healthy person is more active, energetic, and efficient to do work. Do you like to be indoor or outdoor on weekends? Most of the time, I am outdoor for my work during weekdays. Weekend is a relaxing time for me, so I mostly like to be indoor on weekends. I spend some quality time with my family, and that I normally miss during other days. Is it easy for you to keep fit where you live? Yes, it's quite easy to keep fit where I live. There are various health and fitness centers as well as big fields where many people come to play and work out. What do you think is more important, eating healthily or doing exercise? I think both are equally important. Eating healthy and doing exercise evenly help us to keep fit. The former gives us energy and latter provides necessary relaxation. Do you have a good public health system in your country? Yes, we have a strong and effective public health system in our country. Every patient is considered important here and they are taken care of better than many other countries. Is there anything you would like to change to improve it further? Yes, I'd like to add some facilities like emergency healthcare service at low cost, free health insurance for elderly people with poor economic condition, etc. I also like to add a yearly free checkup for service for students with no jobs. I think these steps can be useful. Do you think technology is helping us keep fit? Yes and no. Technology helps us to wake up early and maintain a healthy life by keeping us alert about new diseases and medications. At the same time, it is weakening our stamina and irritating our eyes and mind because we are becoming more and more engaged with smartphones and computers, which are destructive for our health. What are the benefits of doing exercise? Exercise offers a bunch of benefits. It works at both with the physical and mental level. At physical level, it improves blood circulation throughout the body, gives stretching to muscles to maintain their flexibility, improves rate of respiration, breathing. It also burns excessive calories and makes our body fit and healthy. At mental level, it relaxes the mind by increasing blood and oxygen supply to the brain. It also makes us feel fresh and energetic throughout the day. What equipments can we use for exercise? There are a number of equipments we can use to carry out exercise at home and at health club. We can use bicycle, treadmill, rises, dumbbells, barbells, bulwarker, etc. Are there any exercise where we do not need to use equipments? Yes, exercise like walking, jogging, sit-ups, stretching, aerobics, etc. do not require any equipment. Is there any harmful effect of doing exercise? Exercise should be done in a regular regime. or under the guidance of a physical trainer. If we do not follow the regime or do not follow the instructions of trainer, we may harm our muscles, and in extreme case there can be a permanent damage to our body. In future, which type of exercise do you think will be popular? Exercise that provides energy to both body and mind will be popular. In future, because these exercises are completely harmless to our body, moreover, they can help in activating our mind from spiritual perspective. Even now, we can see this trend emerging. People have turned towards active meditation, where some active movements with body are required in the meditation process. Dance, aerobics, yoga, and so on. Thanks for watching our video. Please hit a like and subscribe if you like the video.